So, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, I told you today to bring some things you show. The three-dimensional shapes, will you show? Will you show? Yes, Vinayak bought some cubes. Ashishuni, did you take ball? Yes, very small ball like you. Rose color, isn't it?
Orange.
Orange. Okay. So, Vrissa, okay, the cylinders, cube, then yes, Anna, yes, box, cuboids, yes, Devika, cylinder, Vrisa again bought some bowls, Geediga, bowl and cylinder, okay. Now I did not see anyone. Altina, cylinder, okay. Anyanya, cylinder shape, sphere, then Nihal, cube, then Anthony Vijay, a big ball, isn't it? Is it volleyball? Volleyball or basketball?
Basketball.
Basketball, okay. Your sisters?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So, yes, Emilijo, cube. Others, Altina, Kanishk, Shravana, Amida, Abhyuday, Malaviga, Sanega, it's like a cylinder.
Ma'am.
See, ma'am?
Ma'am, can this be a cuboid? My phone. My phone at channel A. Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Hello, children.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now today we are going to study about. Hello, children.
Yes,
Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Arjun Krishna. Okay, children. So you take yes. Devika has bought a corn. Okay, children. Then what is there? Ayan Mustafa in your hand. Show me. Yes. Okay. So only 24 students reached today. It is a very important class for us. So today we are studying about the three-dimensional shapes. Okay, children, it is not a plain figure. A three-dimensional shape has length, breadth, and height. 3 dimensions. It has 3 dimensions, and it needs some space to occupy. You don't write any notes today. Just listen to the class. Okay, I'll send the notes. Okay, children. See, 3-dimensional shapes. Let me explain today about 3-dimensional shapes. And yesterday I had given you some homeworks. about triangles. That next
Yes,
class
ma'am.
I will explain the homeworks. Okay, today
Okay,
let
ma'am.
me finish this three-dimensional shapes. Okay, children. So three-dimensional shape means it needs some space to occupy. If you keep your shapes on your table, it occupies some space, isn't it?
Yes,
Isn't it,
ma'am.
children?
Yes, ma'am.
So in your table, it needs some space. Yes. So we can take it, we can hold it in our hand and keep in some space. And inside also, it is like contains something. Inside also, we can keep some things inside of those boxes. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So there are two types of three-dimensional shapes. Two types. Okay, children. Now, Devika has bought some cone-like thing, birthday cap. Look at the shape of it. Look at the shape. On the top of it, birthday cap, there is a sharp vertex. There is a sharp end. Birthday cap. On the top of the birthday cap. Children, on the top of the birthday cap, there is a sharp end. So its shape is different. So there are two types of three-dimensional shapes. I will show you. Listen, children. First one, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is a cuboid. Cuboid. And another name is rectangular box. Rectangular box. Okay. Cuboid and rectangular box like cartons, medicine carton, then toothpaste carton. All cartons may come in this rectangular box. Cuboid. What is the name of the rectangular box?
Cuboid.
Okay, children. Now look at here. The naming is done like this. Okay. It is rectangle. Its faces. Let me explain about the faces. Faces means the surfaces which we can touch like this. See the surface. Okay, children. Flat
Okay, ma'am.
surface. This flat surface is known as face. Face. Okay. So if you have a rectangular box, cuboid with you, you just touch with your hand. This flat surface is known as faces, like our face. Okay, faces. So this is known as a rectangular box.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So the faces of it, the faces. How many faces are there? Will you count?
4.
No.
4.
1,
4. 6.
2, 3, 4.
6.
Ah, yes. And on the top and
Bottom.
4 side faces and top and bottom. So totally
6 faces.
6 faces. Okay, children. Now, these faces, 2 faces. When the 2 faces meet, you can see one sharp end. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
2 faces join in a
Sharp.
sharp side. When these two meet, you can touch and find out there it is sharp. So it is known as edge. 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 Okay. So when two faces meet, we'll get an edge. This is like a line segment. This edge is like a line segment. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Edge is like a line segment. Okay. When these faces meet, that line segment is known as edge. Okay. Did you understand
Okay,
about the faces?
Yes, ma'am.
Face is a flat surface. Okay. And these faces meet. Where the faces meet, it is known as
Edges.
edges. So we will find out how many edges are there. Okay, here
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then
4 edges.
5, 6, 7, 8.
8 edges.
No. Here also 9, 10,
12.
11, 12. So how many
12
edges are
edges.
there?
12 edges.
Edges is the sharp place. Okay. In your wall, you can see the edges. Can you see the edges in your wall?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Two walls meet at a point. Can you see a line segment like in your room?
Yes,
Two
ma'am.
walls.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so that is known as edges. Okay. Again, see here, these edges. Edges meet at a point. Edges meet at a point. What is the name of it?
Corner.
Corner. What is another name in the triangles we have studied? Vertex. Vertex. So edges meet at a point is known as vertex.
Or corner.
Corners. Okay, vertex. So face is the flat surface. Faces meet at the edges. Edges. And edges meet at the
corner.
vertex. Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Faces meet at the edge. That is a sharp one. Line segment like thing. Then these edges meet at the point. It is known as vertex. Corner. Vertex. Will tell us vertex. So we'll find out how many vertices are there. Vertices are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many?
8
vertices. Okay. 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. Edges are the most number more. It is 12 edges and 8 vertices. Vertex plural is vertices. Okay, children. Now, these are known as prisms. Prism. I will write. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Prisms. Prism. Okay, prism. Prisms are like this. A square, a cube, and a cuboid. Cuboid. No need to draw now. I just drawn to show you. Okay, cuboid. I'll draw it properly. I'll teach you how to draw a cuboid in easy way. Cube and a cuboid. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, what is the name of it? Prism.
Prisms.
See, there are prisms and one more shape is there. You are familiar with it. Have you seen in any TV programs or anything that Egypt, some things are there? What is the famous constructions? Pyramids. So there are 2 types of 3-dimensional figures. That is prisms and pyramids. Pyramids. And I will show you what is the difference between prism and a pyramid. Okay, children? Pyramid, prisms and pyramid. So how many types of 3-dimensional shapes are there?
2 types.
2 types. What are they?
Prisms and pyramids.
Prisms and pyramids. So this is a prism. That means all faces, side faces are rectangles. Rectangles. And this one is known as bases. Base, that where we are keeping that. Here sometimes I'll keep it like this or like this. So these two are known as bases. Top one base is there, lower also one base is there. So bases and side faces. Okay, side faces.
Okay, ma'am.
All these are rectangles. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Rectangles. Suppose I am keeping my rectangular box cuboid like this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I will
Okay,
tell
ma'am.
you how to name it. Okay? This cuboids, another name is rectangular prism. Rectangular prism. That means this one, rectangle. I am keeping this in like this. So base is a rectangle. So it is known as a rectangular prism. Okay, children?
Okay,
So it is a
okay, ma'am.
cuboid. What is another name of a cuboid?
Rectangular.
Prism. I'll show one more prism. This one. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
Cube.
And its another name is square
Square.
prism. Square prism. Because its face, you see, what is the face?
Square.
All bases are same. Top and bottom, it is same like this. Same, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Like these shapes are known as prisms. Now I will show you
ma'am.
one more thing. See.
Pyramid.
So this is known as pyramid. Now, what is the difference between prism and pyramid?
The face.
Prism and pyramid. This is pyramid. This is
The faces of
1 minute.
prism
1 minute.
is,
Let me update the children. Yes. Can you understand? Can you identify or can you recognize a pyramid and a prism? Can you recognize a pyramid
Yes,
and a
ma'am.
prism?
Yes,
How can you recognize? How can you identify?
the faces of a pyramid are triangle.
First one is there is a sharp end here, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
That is
Yes,
why
ma'am.
it is known as pyramid. How will you get this sharp end? How will you get this sharp one? Huh? How will you get?
The faces
Because
are going.
its side faces are triangles, isn't it?
Yes,
Side
ma'am.
faces, you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Side faces. Since it is triangles, it will come and join at one point. That is why we are getting a sharp vertex on the top. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But prism, all faces are rectangles. So we'll get the same face, same shape, bottom and top also. Did you understand?
Yes,
Bottom and top, we will get the same shape. Why? Because all the side faces are rectangles. That is why we will get the same as the face on the bottom. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, now you understood what is prism and pyramid.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
children. Here, see. When it is named according to the base. So, look at the base. What is the shape of the base?
Square.
Square. And what is this?
Sharp.
Pyramid.
Pyramid.
So, what is the name of it? Square.
Square.
Pyramid.
Square.
Square. Pyramid. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Square. Pyramid.
Pyramid.
And see this. What is the base? Rectangle.
Rectangle.
So what is the name of it? Rectangular prism. Rectangular prism. Okay. Now what is the name of it?
Cube.
Another name?
Square prism.
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 Prism. Cubes, another name?
Square prism.
Prism.
Square
They
prism.
have some special names, pet names. Square prism is known as cube and rectangular prism is known as
Cuboid.
cuboid. Okay, dear children. Now, and another one. What is this shape?
Cube. Cuboid.
Cuboid. Cuboid.
Cuboid.
Cuboid, right?
Yes,
Rectangular.
Cuboid.
Rectangular.
Rectangular prism.
Cuboid. Okay. Now, what about this? Shape of the base?
Triangle.
Angle. And what is this shape? Is it prism or pyramid?
Pyramid.
Huh? Prism. So we name of this prism, particular prism is triangular prism. Triangular.
Triangular prism.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now this one. Listen, children. You have seen kaleidoscope, or Toblerone. One toffee is there.
Toblerone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Toblerone.
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 Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that packet is like this triangular
Yes, ma'am.
prism.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then again, this one
Cylinder.
Cylinder.
cylinder. Its pet name is cylinder. Actually, what is this?
Circle.
Shape is this?
Circle.
Circular
Circular prism.
prism. Circular prism. It is not a pyramid. Circular prism. And what is the pet name of it?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Okay, Kanishk. You have it one cylinder with you, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
I have.
Toothpicks. Yes. Cylinder. Same cylinder is there with the Ashish. And cup. Somebody showed me the cup. Ananya Vijish, Amida Vinod, Devika, okay, Vrisa, Altina, Anna, all students have.
Ma'am.
Ma'am. No. Hello.
Okay. Now, so children, we were studying about the triangular prism.
Prism.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Triangular
Yes,
prism.
ma'am.
Now, the name of this. Name of this.
Cylinder. Circular prism.
Circular
prism.
prism. What is the another name? Which name for
Cylinder.
this?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Okay, children, cylinder. Now, most important one. This one. Shape of it?
Pyramid.
Pyramid. When you see this shape, you will understand that it is the name of it is pyramid. Top, that sharp vertex.
Sharp.
And naming.
Circular pyramid.
Pyramid. Circular
pyramid.
And see children, there are these two has a difference.
And this is
Ma'am, a
Yes,
cylinder.
yes, yes.
Ma'am,
This
another one has
wait,
a
wait.
tip.
Okay, children, this one, is it a prism or pyramid? Which is prism?
ma'am, the
Cylinder is prism. Circular
Prism
prism.
and this is
Pyramid.
pyramid. Can you name this?
Cone.
This one.
Cylinder. Circular prism.
Circular
Prism.
prism. Will you tell? What is the name of it?
Circular.
Circular prism. And the pet name of it?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. And what about this?
Pyramid.
Pyramid. Circular
pyramid.
Circular pyramid. And what is the name of it? Cone. Do you remember? You are getting the ice cream in a cone.
yes, ma'am.
Your birthday cap. Your birthday cap. What is the shape of the birthday cap? Cone. Okay, children. So this cone is circular pyramid. And cylinder is
Circular
prism. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
So we have studied two types of three-dimensional figures. There are two types of three-dimensional figures today. Okay.
pyramid.
Okay, children. So there are prisms. What is the name of this prism?
Rectangular prism.
Rectangular prism. Okay. Nihal Mustafa, turn on your video. Circular prism. Can you identify a prism and a pyramid?
Yes.
ma'am.
Has all side faces. What is the shape of the side faces for a prism? Rectangles. And pyramid. What is the shape of the side faces? Triangles. That is why we are getting a sharp vertex on the top. Side faces are triangles. Okay, children.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
this is a prism or pyramid?
Prism.
And this is pyramid. It is known as a rectangular prism. What is the another name of the rectangular prism?
Cuboid.
What is the another name of a rectangular prism?
Cuboid.
Okay, children. And this one.
Cube.
Cube.
Actually, what is his name?
Square.
Prism.
Square.
Prism.
Okay.
Okay,
Square
ma'am.
prism is known by. Okay, children. And
Okay,
what
ma'am.
is this shape?
And
Can you show it? Triangular prism.
It is a prism or pyramid?
Prism.
Prism. Okay. And how will you name it?
Triangular prism.
Triangular. Triangular.
Prism.
Sri Rudra, will you tell the name of it? I did not see Sri Rudra today. Sri Rudra, will you name this one? Prism or pyramid? Gone.
Ma'am.
Prism or pyramid, child?
Ma'am. Prism.
Prism. And name of it?
Ma'am.
See the shape. Can you see me? Yes, Kanishk, will you tell the name of it?
Ma'am.
Yes, Sri
Ma'am,
Rudra?
can you hear me?
Yes? Sorry?
Ma'am.
Anna? Yes, Anna Tekandala, will you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the name of this.
Triangular prism.
Very good. Triangular prism. And see, children, I'll show you different types of pyramids. I have this much pyramids with me. Okay. What is the name of this pyramid?
Circular
Pyramid. Another name? Cone. Another name is?
cone.
Cone. And this pyramid. Can you see this?
Triangular pyramid.
Pyramid. Triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. Okay. Triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid. Okay. And this one. Name. Prism or pyramid?
Pyramid.
Somebody is telling prism.
Pyramid.
Prism or pyramid? Pyramid. Name?
Square
Pyramid.
pyramid.
Square
Pyramid.
pyramid. Okay. Now, again, one more pyramid. Name of this? Pyramid. Okay. So, these many pyramids I have with me. Okay. And the kaleidoscope.
Ma'am, your video is stuck.
Hello, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So, there was
Yes,
a
ma'am.
power failure in between. Okay. Now, can you hear me?
Yes,
ma'am.
So, it's time to wind up the class. Before that, let me give you some more examples. So, you know this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, prism,
Prism.
cuboid, rectangular prism.
Rectangular
Name of this?
Square
Arun and
prism.
Square prism.
Square prism. And another name?
Cube.
Somebody is telling cuboid. Another name of this? Shravana?
Cube.
Example? You have with you now. Which one we are using for playing?
Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's cube, okay. And sugar cubes. Sugar cubes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, this one,
Cylinder.
Circular prism.
circular prism. Sanega,
Circular
what is the name of another name of this?
Cylinder.
Cylinder, okay. Cylinder. And what is this? Prism or pyramid?
Triangular prism.
Triangular,
Prism.
triangular prism.
Prism.
Okay? Yes, children. Now we have,
What is the shape of the ball?
yes.
What is the
Shape of the ball is sphere.
Sphere.
Okay, sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E.
H-E-R-E.
Okay, sphere. That we will study tomorrow about its
Okay,
face.
ma'am.
Faces, okay. So now you have to recognize a prism and a pyramid, and tomorrow, next class, I will teach faces, edges and vertices. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
And today I will send the notes. And what are these shapes?
Pyramids.
Pyramids. This one?
Square pyramid.
Square pyramid. And this one?
Circular
Circular pyramid.
Circular pyramid. What is another name of circular pyramid?
Cone.
Cone. Examples?
Ice cream cone.
Ice cream cones.
Birthday cap.
Birthday cap. Okay. Now children, shall I leave?
Yes, ma'am.
Stand up the class.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay. I'll send the notes today. Okay. Write the notes. Study well.
Okay, ma'am.
And we will discuss about the homeworks in the next class. Okay, children. Thank you very much.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.